Hello everyone. Now let's run the code together. Click on the link below. So in this module, we will visualize the Twitter data. So the step 1, please download or create the data file from the existing resources. So source 1 is I have provided a sample data you can download and you can use that data to analyze. Source 2 is using programming where you can use the programming tool to prepare the data. You have used this uh, Python code to mine the Twitter data from Twitter. If you remember, you can change the search word and date and can mine the data from the software. And another source is using a tool. You can use this tool to mine the data. So after collecting the data, any format from any source will be okay. The CSV file will look like as follows. Then whatever the downloaded file from the computer, you need to load that file in step 3. But before step 3, we have to import some libraries in step 2. So first, the pandas library to create table format data. Then Google file to upload the data file. Then import IO. This library is to process input and output. You can hover your mouse to know about the package a little more. Then we have word cloud to show or create a word cloud. Then we will use pyplot to plot a word cloud image. So let's upload a file. So let's run this each and then upload the file. So I have downloaded the file cdc.gov from the source link 1. So you can download it from the source 1. I have downloaded this and then I have uploaded this. So this file, whenever you have uploaded, it will say saving. So if it is saving, you can see that on the left side of your file by clicking the folder. So I see I have uploaded twice, but in your case, it will be uploaded once. Then I have provided the name of in step 4, I have provided the file name to read as a table format data in step 4. So you should change these according to your file name from this location name. So in case tweets cdc.gov 1/11/2022, this file I have provided in this red mark line. You can change here according to your file name. Then whenever I have loaded the data in step 5, I can plot the data. So visualize the word cloud. So we have created a figure at the beginning and then created a word cloud with the image size is 1600 and height is 1800. And then we have used our data frame. So data frame is this, the full thing. And if you see, there is a column named text. So this text column is only used to create the word cloud. So I have passed the parameter text to create the word cloud. So this is module 1, what we have seen here. In module 2, we have to visualize Twitter data using Matplotlib library, and we want to create a pie chart. Let's see. So in module 2, we'll visualize Twitter data using Matplotlib library. So we import Matplotlib library, and then in step 2 we calculate the count of tweet. So for example, count, we are counting the like count column. So if you go back to your data frame, so there is a like count column, and we want to count how many tweets are having such 4 or 5 like counts or some specific numbers. So let's draw that, run those code of line, and then plot the data. So to plot the data, we have used plot.py. So this is a pie chart, and then we have visualized the count in the plot of pi. So what this pi means, it means 7.95% tweet has one tweet, 3.4% of tweet has two like in their tweet. So this is, and 78% tweet has 0 like. And if you look at our data, you will see most of the like is 0. So 78% data is 0. Go back to another uh, uh, exercise in module 3. If you go to module 3, it will be visualize Twitter data using Seaborn library. So we provided the link here, and mainly module 3 visualize Twitter data using Seaborn library. So the first step, we will import the libraries, and then the second step, we'll plot the libraries. So in here, we provided count plot by language. So in each language, how many tweet is exist in there? So in x-axis, so this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So in x-axis, we provided language. You can provide like count or any other thing. So if you change it to like count, then if you run it, you will see how many tweets count by like count. So this is how you can create visualization using Python libraries. Thank you.